Hello people, Kevin, Thailand here. Well, today was yesterday, was out and about and took a subscriber, Paul, to sort out his motorbike and car licence. He also wanted to sort out a bank account. So we went and done it all yesterday afternoon. I'm going to show you now. We'll go through how things went and what you have to do right the way through to getting your licence. We'll go to the bank from the land transport, and then it went funny. Something new's come about. I'd never known it before, and it was Kasikorn Bank. So let's go and meet Paul Soybakal, show you the bike licences, where to go, what to do. And then I'll come back to you from the bank and we'll talk about that just for a minute or two. Okay, so here's Kev with Paul in Soybakal. Right, so we've met Paul in Soybakal. We are here, Bakal Clinic. It's literally just across from LK Metro. They will do your medical certificate. They don't do anything. It's 100 baht. You need this for your motorbike car licence to take to John TM immigration. Without it, you're not even going to apply for motorbike or car licence. So Bakal Clinic opposite LK Metro, 100 baht for your medical certificate. If you go for car and bike, you need 2, but immigration accepts 1 copy. So you get 1 and just a photocopy of it to take to immigration. So, here's Paul. All medical duck? Yes. All right. We're off to immigration, John TM. See you there. Okay. So here we are. We're at John TM, Soi 5. The Chonburi immigration. This is where you have to come to get permissions for anything. You get permission. Bastards. You'll get permission for your motorbike licence, permission for car licence. Also, you need permission to open a bank account. Go to a bank, want to open a bank account. You need a letter from immigration to give to the bank for permission to open an account. So when you come at the front door, the immigration, just over to the left in the corner over there, you will get all the forms you need. They will fill them in for you. There's a fee, 50 baht. Any photographs you need, they will give you all the forms filled in for whatever you need. Just go in, ask for permission, form permission for motorbike licence, car licence, or form open bank account. They do it all for you. All the forms are in Thai. They fill them all in. You'll take them inside here to the front desk as you walk in. At that desk you'll show them the forms that for what you want. They will give you a number. Now for motorbike licence, car licence, or a bank account, is desk number 9 to the left. So as you go in, go to the left, you've got your number. It's the first desk on the left, the large desk. That is for your licences and bank accounts. Right, we've got all the forms now, 3 forms. 1 for the bike, 1 for the car, and 1 for the bank account. Immigration's charged. Bastards, fucking noisy. Immigration has charged 900 baht. I'm sure car and bike licence were $550, 250 and 300. So the opening a bank account would be $350 if my mathematics serve me well. Anyway, we've got the certificates. Now we will go to land transport and get the motorbike and car licence. See you at land transport. I might show you a little bit on the way. I might not. It's right over at Highway 36. If I was to do all of it, you'd be on an hour and a half vlog, and you'll just go, oh, I can't be bothered, Kev. No, I don't blame you. But if you want to know and learn something, follow it. See you at land transport. Right, when you get to land transport off of Highway 36, which is just here, just opposite these shops, come to this one. You need photocopies of passport, exit visa, the photocopies of your driving licence, an extra medical. You can get one, they will take one copy. So get photocopies for each form that you want. One for motorbike, one for car. So here is the best place. You're opposite land transport. Get all your photocopies done here. Very, very cheap. Right, so here we are. We're just coming into land transport here. We'll go in the door to the right and up the stairs. You'll come to a desk through the door on the left where you give the girl your forms. She will give you a number with a colour, and you'll do a test of colour blindness, brake reaction, and a little pole. It comes along, it's alignment. You've got to stop it aligned with the other stick. Past that, you got your licence. Let's go and see. Right, so that's it. Here we are. We're out of land transport, and we want the car, want the bike. It really is as simple as that. If you don't know land transport, it's not easy to get to, I will say. The total cost was
510 baht.
510 baht for the two licenses, 100 baht for the medical, and I believe 550 baht at immigration for the letters permissions. So 550, 1,006, say 1,200 baht all in, and you're sorted. So the licenses are temporary until for 2 years, and 2 years you come back and they replace them with 5-year license. Right, let's go and get a bank account sorted.
Thank you, Kev.
Oh, you're all right, mate, no worries. We'll go and get the bank account sorted now. He wants the bank at Cassicom. So we're on our way back to Pattaya to Cassicom. What is it? The Ripley's, believe it or not, above the, I can't think. I'll tell you when I get there. Right, so here we are. We've come to the Royal Garden Plaza in Pattaya Central. It's the Ripley's, believe it or not. Paul wants to open his bank at Cassicom. He says he doesn't. There's no charges for transferring money to here. So the Royal Plaza Garden shopping mall, from the second road entrance, it's Ripley's, believe it or not, has the red aeroplane in the wall. Yeah, a good landmark, isn't it? A plane crash. Anyway, let's go in, open the bank account, and we'll see you shortly. Right, So what happened at the bank ended abruptly. We went in to open the account. The lady said that to open an account, if you don't have a visa, a 1-year visa, retirement or work permit visa, it's 9,469 baht insurance, account insurance to open the account. I've never heard of that. I've never heard of it before. I opened a bank account a short while ago at Bangkok Bank and never had this. So it seems to be something new from Kasikom. When we asked what the insurance was for, she was very vague and came up with nothing. Except you don't have to have it the second year or third year or after that. Just the first year is you have to have it, an insurance for the account. But you need an account to get the 1-year visa. You need a Thai bank account with the money, the funds in the account for 3 months before you apply for your retirement visa. So therefore I can only assume it's a stealth tax, a stealth fee for opening an account. Insurance for what? To open a bank account? No. I don't know if other banks are following suit, but Paul declined the offer. He left. He has a letter. He can open a bank account any bank. He can go to Bangkok Bank, but he wanted to open at Kasikom, and Kasikom now charging 9,469 baht under the disguise of insurance. I think it's wrong. They know you need to open an account to go for the visa. So I think you're very naughty, Kasikom. I really do. Anyway, that's the just showing you motorbike and licenses. Was hoping to show you a bank account, opening an account, very easy, except at Kasikom. So sorry about that. And I hope it's helped you with your driving licence, bike licence anyway. And if you do like it, if it was informative, give me a like, a share, thumbs up, subscribe, please do. There will be some more informational stuff. I prefer doing the other stuff. I don't like sitting about here. So anyway, I'll thank you for watching and I'll say goodbye. Bye bye.